Weihan 41 Super Tough Protective Coating, independently developed by Hubei Wuhan Equipment Technology Company Limited, has excellent characteristics such as strengthening structure, increasing toughness and wear resistance, waterproof and anti-corrosion, as well as bullet and explosion resistance. Weihan has done a series of trials to demonstrate the above characteristics. Light bulbs, watermelons, dishes, eggs were sprayed with Weihan 41 coating and thrown off a 30-meter-high bridge. These test items remain in effect after such high-impact tests. This verifies the superior impact resistance of Weihan 41 coating. Test items were foam board and paperboard. They were sprayed with Weihan 41 coating. The flamethrower burned at the foam board for 2 consecutive 10 seconds. The flame was extinguished when the flamethrower left from the foam board. During this period, the maximum temperature exceeded 400 degrees centigrade. After 2 successive 10 seconds burning on paperboard, flames then extinguished immediately, and nothing fell. The flame was extinguished instantly. This indicated that Weihan 41 coating has excellent flame-retardant performance of self-extinguishing from fire. Changing the test items to steel plate and steel tube. With the flamethrower, a point on the steel tube was heated continuously, and the temperature of this burning point was measured in real time by the temperature measuring gun. When the temperature on the combustion point exceeded 300 degrees centigrade, while the temperature on the back of the combustion point was almost unchanged from room temperature, after burning the steel plate, it was found that even if the burning point temperature exceeded 300 degrees centigrade, the back temperature of the burning point can remain room temperature. Apples, eggs, paper cups, and cans sprayed with Weihan 41 coating were ignited after poured with acetone. The flame extinguished automatically after acetone burned out. In emergency scene, Weihan 41 Super Tough Protective Coating can protect objects from fire. The test objects were the foam without coating and a foam sprayed with Weihan 41 coating. These 2 foams were placed in front of the wheel of an 18.8-ton truck separately. When the truck was rolling, the foam without coating was completely broken, and its bearing capacity was basically lost. And the foam sprayed with Weihan 41 coating was only slightly deformed and remained intact after the rolling. Change test objects to a fragile paper cup. 4 paper cups sprayed with Weihan 41 coating were placed on the ground. Bailey sheets were gradually stacked layer by layer on the top of the 4 paper cups. Each Bailey sheet weighs about 365 kilograms. Unexpected experimental results showed that 4 paper cups sprayed with Weihan 41 coating can bear 1,450 kilograms. This proves that the Weihan 41 coating has superior bearing capacity. Test objects were 2 oil drums filled with liquid. One of the oil drums was sprayed with Weihan 41 coating, the other was not. The oil drum without Weihan 41 coating was easily broken down by bullet. After the oil drum sprayed with Weihan 41 coating is broken down, the bilateral bullet holes can heal quickly and automatically, with little liquid loss. This proved the superior bulletproof performance of Weihan 41 coating. The anti-performance of a car sprayed with Weihan 41 coating was tested by heating it against a wall. The bumper and bonnet of the car were sprayed with the Weihan 41 coating. The car accelerated to over 40 km per hour and then crashed into a brick wall. When it hit, the brick wall crumbled instantly, and the car almost went up in the air. While the head part of the car remains intact without damage. Test objects were 2 wooden walls and 2 brick walls. One of each group was sprayed with Weihan 41 coating. After the explosion, the uncoated wooden wall split apart and the dummy behind the walls was badly damaged. The wooden wall sprayed with Weihan 41 coating was difficult to be shaken by the explosion. The uncoated brick wall collapsed after the explosion. The brick wall sprayed with Weihan 41 coating remains its original state, which can resist the shock wave, and provided effective protection for the dummy. These abnormal experimental results proved the superior protective performance of Weihan 41 coating. In the future, Weihan will explore more fields and strive to become a leading supplier of new material coating in China.